Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine. Today we are going to start our first lecture of mathematics of class 4. This is new edition of your maths book and it has total 7 chapters. This is your first term syllabus. You will cover it with the help of my lectures. Chapter number 1 is numbers and arithmetic operations. Syllabus of first term start with chapter 1. Now we will study topic number 1 of this chapter. You will need pencil, ruler and a notebook to attend the lecture. The topic number 1 is numbers up to 100 million. Let's take a flashback what we have studied in class 3. In class 3, we have studied 4-digit numbers with the help of place value chart. Let's start our lecture. In class 4, you will learn how to read and write 5-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers, 7-digit numbers, 8-digit numbers and 9-digit numbers. First we will study 5-digit numbers. Smallest 5-digit number is 1 with 4 zeros with it. We will put it in place value table. You will see that at the extreme right of the table, the first place value is unit, then tens, hundreds, thousands and then 10,000. So the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Now we will study 6-digit number. The smallest 6-digit number is 1 with 5 zeros with it. When we put it in place value table, we see that the digit at the extreme right has the place value of unit and the next digit has the place value of tens, then hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000 and then 100,000. So the 6-digit number goes from units to 100,000. So the smallest 6-digit number is 100,000. When there is 7-digit number, the 7-digit number goes from unit to millions. The place value after 100,000 is million. So the smallest 7-digit number is 1 million. Smallest 8-digit number is 1 with 7 zeros with it. And this number goes from unit to 10 millions. So the place value of 8-digit number goes from unit to 10 millions. Smallest 8-digit number is 10 million. Now smallest 9-digit number. Smallest 9-digit number, when we put it in place value table, we see that the place values goes from unit, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions and then 100 million. So the smallest 9-digit number will be 100 million. Dear students, place value table will help us to read and write large numbers. Here we have taken an example of a large number. We put it in place value table. When we put it in place value table, we see that the digit at the extreme right has place value of unit. The digit next to it will have the place value of tens and the next digit will have the place value of 100. These 3 digits which are in same group will be read together. We see that next 3 digits 3, 7 and 9 are in same period which is called thousands. Next 3 digits 2, 4, 8 are again in same group. This same group is called million. Now we read that number. Remember, digits which are in same group will be read as together. For example, we are going to read that number like this: 248,379,165. A 6-digit number is 100,000, a 7-digit number is million, 8-digit number is 10 million, a 9-digit number is 100 million. Exercise 1A, page number 6. We will solve question number 4 of this page. Write in words. They have given us a 7-digit number. We will put that number in a place value table and we will put values in its each digit. We will start from the right side. The digit at the right side will have the place value of units, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and then million. So this number will be written as 3 million in words. Next page, page number 7. We will solve question number 6 of this page. Again, we have to write it in words. The number they have given us is 9-digit number. We will put it in place value table. We will write place values on each of its digit. We start from the right side. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and then there comes 100 million. So, with the help of these place values, we will write it in words. 613,421,005. This is your practice sheet. You need to write these numbers in words. Here first number is 9-digit number. With the help of place value chart, you will assign each digit its place value and will write it in words. If you have any question, please write us in comment box. In the next lecture, we will solve rest of the questions of exercise 1A. Till then, take care of yourself.